What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. This day is a long time coming. A long time coming. And this day is made possible by the man himself, Dover. Yes, guys, it's freezing cold out here, so if you're wondering why we're all bundled up. Okay, guys, let's get back to this. As you can see, she's on the ground. I've got the camera mounted because we're about to go for a little ride. But, and no, it's not done. Yes, there's still a long way to go. But guys, I wanted to just let you feast your eyes for just a second on the beautiful black interior. It's still, again, I know, it's still got a lot of stuff that it needs. But the hell with it. We're gonna drive it today. Real quick, I'm gonna show you the underside. And I'm also going to take a sidebar. Guys, I know there's a lot of YouTube channels out there that have gotten on the bandwagon of giving cars away. And that's all well and good. But they buy cars, they put wheels on them, and give them away. This one started as a shell a little over a year ago. Complete shell, and now is a complete car.
V8, huh?
Yeah. 5.0, 5-speed, air conditioning. There's not, the only thing left 4-cylinder on this car is the VIN number. From the cluster, to the fuel lines, to the tank, to the shocks, the struts, the spindles. Every single part from a V8 has been swapped onto this car, and I'm gonna tell you right now, I could not be more freaking proud of this. And, you know, again, this was not possible without Dover, without Bronte, Alex. Very honored to work with these guys. We do some pretty epic shit. But now let's go drive it. All right, long time coming. Oh, still gotta wipe everything down, and look, all the dust coming out of the vents. Oh man. On the brand new LMR seats with the cup holder console. We don't have Speedo.
That's right. Yeah, I forgot about that.
Not working.
Yeah, I don't remember why. It may not be in the cluster or something.
Yeah. Whoa!
The tires got cold up.
Yeah, the tires are a little cold. Man, this thing is peppy. Woo!
No, it's got 14 gears, bro.
Yeah, it's got 410. Tell ya, if everybody could have seen this car, well, I mean, most people did. Like where this came from. I mean, this is probably as extensive build as you can do, really. I mean, there's literally nothing there. It had a rear end under it.
Had carbon headliner, yes.
Yeah.
That's about it.
From a shell to getting sideways. See what happens when you actually finish your stuff, finish your builds, then you get to do this stuff. This is freaking great. Yeah, surprisingly. I mean, I know the Flowmasters take a little time to...
That's not how you don't ride with it.
Yeah.
No noises.
The seats are firm.
Feel like I get a little pokey and that'd be real nice.
Yeah.
Like, just cruise all day long, huh?
Still got a ways to go, guys, but we wanted to do this first drive. We've been wanting to do this first drive forever. Hey guys, I just want you to know it is snowing and it's like 16 degrees out here. Your boy is out here working hard for you. Please make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Oh, hold on, we got a flyby coming. right, so I get to drive. I'm ready.
Hey, it was laying it down.
Yes, it was. And it kept wanting to spin.
Yeah.
Look at this. You can see the snow. This is crazy.
It did more than I thought it was going to do.
Oh, I got to move the seat up. Heat's nice and hot. Oh yeah, shift to fill the heart right there. Oh, I missed it. Did I really do that?
We'll edit that out.
Yeah, we'll just edit that out. Oh man.
It's strong, don't it?
Yeah, it feels freaking very crisp. Still got alignment to do. I think some of the weights fell off the
Yes, I know they have.
Yeah, we got to take those
They
back.
fell off just sitting in the shop before we drove it.
New wheel problems.
Yeah.
Let's take off from the lead start. And we've bled the brakes again, guys, but they're still got a little air in them, so we'll probably fool with them a little more. Let's see how she does for the mid stop.
Cold, hard tires.
Yeah. Man, she moves out.
Yeah, for stock, it rolls.
It's got all that good exhaust on it. Nice fresh low mile engine. I think we still got air in the power steering too.
Yeah, probably a little bit.
Nothing like it. The sound is great. I love the way it sounds. Alright guys, so we did bring it home. We didn't want to press our luck because we still got quite a few issues. But guys, just listen to this freaking thing. Just kind of doing its thing, you know. It starts right up. It does need an alignment. It's I mean, you know the deal. But as you can see, guys, the stance is not too low. Yeah, you can go a little lower, but still needs an alignment, obviously. But I think the stance, I think we nailed it. It's right there. You're not gonna rub everywhere. The back I'd probably take down a little more. I don't know. It's got iBox springs on it, but I just, guys, I'm telling you, it's so satisfying to take a car from a bare shell and to take it down the road. It's amazing. Yes, I know. I'm still wiring up the stereo system, so cut me a little slack. And I still gotta get to do the armrest and everything on the new door panels. But there we go. That's a little better. My OCD, guys. But yeah, could not be happier with this, guys. This is a very fun car to drive. Now, here's the thing. Yes, the other engine we had, we did slide a cam in it and put rockers on it. Oh, my camera fell down. Nice. But when this deal came up, and just because we knew this engine was perfect, it just seemed like the thing to do. Anything you want to do to this now, you've basically got a clean slate to build from, to do anything you want to it, or leave it exactly like it is, go anywhere with it. It's all new. It's all there, from the heater core to the freaking bearing. It's all brand freaking new. Just gotta have a moment here, boys. First drive, Project 48, and I freaking love it. All right, got her back parked, boy. Like I said, yeah, we are in Tennessee, but bad day. This is gonna seriously. There was several things I was planning to do to 4-8 this week, guys, and it's really not gonna happen. But oh well, it is what it is. All right, let's get you a shop update. All right, guys, so I'm gonna do a quick shop update, guys. Keep an eye out for next video. We're gonna kind of work on some of the details on Boomer's Turbo Coyote. We cannot yet release what's going on with the Bimini car, but I want to wait until we have a large pallet arrive to give you an update on Jennings 92. So that is coming soon. Lee's car is pretty well done. You saw it on the dyno. If you didn't see that, you definitely want to see that. That bad boy definitely made some steam. The transmission, we did ship it out to Power by the Hour. They're going to go all the way through it, fully upgrade it, and then we're going to swap it back out, and it'll go home. It's done. Let's see. Work continues as always on George's car. It's not very exciting watching, wire a bare body, so you don't see a whole lot of that, but rest assured, it's here, and should be making some noise here for too long. Waiting on parts for the Reef Blue car. As you can see, got one very, very important part right here. A little crate motor from Power by the Hour. Engine bay is done. Just parts, guys. Parts have been, ever since 2020 happened, parts have been very hard to come by. I'm not really 100% sure why, but, it's pretty much across the board. So that gets you pretty much up to date with everything in here. There's all the old drivetrain out of Jennings' car just hanging out there. All right, boys, so like I said, lots more to do on Project 4-8, but as you saw, we drove it, and I can't hide the fact that I'm extremely excited. Very, very excited. Very excited. So, with that being said, yes, there's still quite a bit more to do, but just keep it tuned right here. Keep it tuned right here. Big thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and catch you on the next one. Make sure you're subscribed. You're not going to want to miss it.